Okay, so now this is a great question to review everything that has been covered so far. So we have addition, you have subtraction of decimals, and then we have this big multiplication. So let's do this. Let's start here in these parentheses. So we have 0.15 plus, and remember, when we're adding, we have to line up the decimals. Okay, so you have to be very neat when you do it. Okay, so we have this. So let's say 1, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down the decimal, and we're left with that. So this is part of the answer. Now let's do this section. So it's 25 minus 23.4. Well, don't forget to do the 0.0 there. Now, we can't do 0 minus 4, so we have to borrow from this guy. So let's make that into a 4. Let's make this into a 10. So it's 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 4 minus 3 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is a 0. So we're left with 1.6, and then you just bring down the decimal. So now this is the second part of that. And now we're asked to multiply this guy, 0.151 times 1.6. Well, the rule here is to just ignore the decimals at first. So what is 151 times 16? So we have 6 times 1, which is 6. 6 times 5, which is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. We can just put an x here. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 1 is 1. When you do that addition, we get the final answer as, sorry, this is not the final answer. This is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. And then we carry the 1 over here, and you get 2416. Now, why we're not done? Because we have to figure out all the place values. How many place values is it going to shift? So right now, the answer, what we got is 2416.0, and we have to move the decimal point how many places? Well, let's look at this guy. How many places has this moved? So we have one place value there, and we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we just have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So this is where it goes. So now this is the final answer, which is 0.2416. A little tip here. Once you get to this multiplication, you don't need to worry about the decimal and the place values of these guys, because that might confuse you. So don't worry about this, because you basically have this in a nicer format here. And when you have it here, it's much easier to see, like, okay, so this is one place value, is 1, 2, 3 place values. 1 plus 3 is 4, and you just move it 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom. And that's the final answer.